Okay, so this is a Chicago pneumatic air hammer I bought. I made the stand out of scrap steel, and the foot pedal I got as well, both off of Amazon. I don't know, it was around $70 for the hammer and around 25 or so for the foot pedal. That's in Canadian prices. So I've taken a railroad spike and I'm going to make a stake flipper out of it here eventually. I did some of the work with the regular hammer and some with the press, but here I'm rounding off the steel so that it's more uniform in diameter, and it's working pretty good for that. I'm actually fairly impressed with it. I have another piece of steel in the forge that I'm working on making a leaf for my wife. It's a keychain. I'm pretty much a rookie at this, so you know, it is what it is, and it's going to take some trial and error and getting used to this thing. I spent a good part of yesterday fine-tuning this stand. I get it. It'll really test your welds, this hammer, because it's the longer version, so it's got more punch, and I got two springs holding it in location there. But yeah, it tested my welds yesterday when I was fine-tuning it, and a few things had to be re-welded, but no big deal. I've got three hammers, four that insert into it. One's very long and reaches the bottom of the overall unit, but I put a shorter one in because I think it's probably easier to add plate to bring the height up. And as you can see right there, I'm looking around thinking, I should add a thicker piece of plate. And that's what I'm looking for at the moment. I'll probably come up with a better way of stacking and all of that stuff for the anvil side of it. And it's cold here in northwestern Ontario. We're south of Kekabeka Falls, southwest of Thunder Bay, and north of Minnesota. So the steel's cold, which draws temper out pretty quick. Draws the heat out of the steel. The plate is cold, I should say. At this point, I'm realizing I think I'm out of propane, and lo and behold, I am. But I should be able to get another heat in here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.